In this video, I will show you how to add products to your Shopify store on your phone. To do this, you can either use the website or the app. I would recommend using the app since it's a bit simpler. So just going to install the app and sign in. And from there in the bottom, you will have the kind of menu. Now you can see it has the home, then the inbox, and right next to that, the label. Go and click on that label. And from there, click add products, or in the top right, click on the plus icon. And then here you can create your product. So you can go and add an image, then a title. Then you can add a description, category, a selling price, and you can select the sales channels, different variants, the inventory that you have, the colors and everything else, just add it in here, and then go and hit save. And after you have clicked on save, if you now go back to products, you will now see that the phone is right here, and I have now added this product to my Shopify store on my phone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.